Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 80 inches, 79 inches actually, velvet Loveseat that this brand sent to me for the video. It's kind of like more than a Loveseat, I want to say, because you can fit perfectly 3 people in here. Yeah, four, even four. If you squeeze them up a little bit, you can fit four, but it's a little bit more than a Loveseat. Talking about the assemble, everything goes explaining right here, and it's super easy to assemble. We did it with my wife in about, I want to say probably like 20-25 minutes, no more than that, with power tools. So if you have power tools, it's going to be about 25 minutes. If not, with the tools that comes with the package, it may be like 40-45 minutes top. Super easy to assemble, so don't worry about that. Some other things that I want to show you about this one over here is actually, let me talk to you about something first. So these are pillows that I have. These are kind of like pillows that I have in my previous couch. And then I want to show you something. This right here are super nice. They're really firm. They're super thick, as you can see over here how thick they are. By the way, it comes with a Velcro, so these things won't move easily. So these are super firm, and the whole thing withstand about 660 pounds. So this needs to be firm and thick like they are. You also have right here really nice padded cushions for your arm on the armrest, but I think that this one needs a little bit of improvement here. This one's right here, by the way, comes with a Velcro too, so you can see over here. This one's, I think I need to be just a little bit thicker. You can fix that with just putting this right here. You can put a pillow, 2 pillows, 3 pillows, and it's fixed, because trust me, this is totally worth it. This part over here is so comfy that it's worth it. But this one could use a little bit of improvement from the brand, so I'm gonna actually probably say that to them, but I think that this one can be fixed with just having a really nice pair. You can take an overall look over there. Pretty nice velvet-ish. It comes in 3 different colors, so check them out. This is kind of like the green, which looks fantastic, I have to say. And another thing is comes with kind of like some sort of long cable, so you can plug this cable to the wall to have access to a USB-A and a USB-C port. So right here, you can actually use to charge your devices while you're binge watching TV or scrolling or something like that. You can charge your laptop, you can charge your phone, you can charge your iPad, things like that with these 2 ports over here. Also right here on the sides, you're gonna find storage to put some magazines, books, or things like that, which I think it's convenient. But yeah, long story short, as I was just telling you before, super nice and thick over here. Fits up to 3 people. It's 79 inches by 33 inches with this kind of like really nice modern velvet feel that it looks really nice. Super thick, and also really nice on the install, on the assemble. Ports right there for charging USB-A and USB-C devices. Also storage on the sides, both sides, left and right. And if you put these 2 or 3 pillows, you can manage these ones right here for sure, 100%. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.